how to make laptop brightness lower. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you are new here, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell to not miss any updates. So, you need to head over to your settings to make your brightness lower. Just search for settings and then open it up and then go to system on the left hand side, tap on display. There you'll find brightness and you'll see the slider. If you want to lower the brightness, just drag it to the left side and you can see that the brightness is decreasing. Or you can tap on the drop down and you can see change brightness based on context. You can tap on it and set it to always. So if you're in a dark place, the brightness will be automatically lowered by your device. So that's it. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more tips and tricks. Thank you for watching.